Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will talk about crochet cushion cover ideas. If you love handmade home decor, this video is perfect for you. Choose crochet cushion cover ideas are beautiful way to add warmth and style to your home. They are soft, cozy and full of creativity. You can use them in your living room, bedroom or even on a chair or sofa. One of the most popular styles in the granny square cushion covers. Granny square cushion covers are colorful and timeless. You can mix different colors or keep one simple color. They give a cheerful and traditional look to any space. Another lovely idea is the soul textured crochet cushion cover. This style uses simple stitches but looks very elegant. Textures like puff style stitching or wav stitching make the cushion look rich and stylish. If you like a modern look, try natural colors cushion cover ideas. Colors like white, gray and cream match easily with any home decor. These cushions give a clean and calm feeling. Floral crochet cushion cover ideas are perfect for a soft and pretty look. Flower patterns add charm and beauty. They look great in bedroom and cozy corner of the house. For a bold style, you can make boho style cushion covers. These designs use colors, tassels or fringes. They give a relaxed and artistic touch to your home. Crochet cushion covers are also great for beginners. You can start with simple square. As you learn more stitches, you can try detailed patterns and designs. Choosing the right yarn is very important. Cotton yarn is great for summer and daily use. Wool or stylish, colorful thread is another choice. These cushion covers are not only decorative but also more wonderful handmade gifts. They are perfect for housewarming, birthdays or special occasions. In conclusion, crochet cushion covers are a simple way to add beauty and comfort to your home. With a little time and creativity, you can create stunning designs. Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. You can decorate your room, your lounge, your beautiful bedroom with crochet cushion covers with matching bed sheets, sofa covers, curtains. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.